Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. Today I want to share with you guys my result with the Bitcoin bounty, okay, with the Kringle Cash Bitcoin bounty. Like I keep telling you guys before that, hey, some of you guys might not be happy that the billion coin, that the coin, has no market value, okay. Some of you are not happy that you cannot spend it. Okay, some of you are disappointed that the wallet maintenance has not been restored. Okay, but there are certain aspects of TBC that still works, and number one is the Kringle Cash platform, and that is where the TBC admin is highly focused. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a little, share you guys my result. If you watched my former video, you guys know that I made about $600 something from Bitcoin bounty alone, and today again I just made about $40 something. I think about $4 to $1. I'll show it to you guys. So right here, today is 28th of November, and I have 3 referral count, okay, and I have this bounty being processed, okay, and I have this bounty being processed. Okay, so you can see it's pending, so but it will process, and I'm not worried about that because I know it will hit my account. So but if you let's look at the details of my earnings so that you understand how much I made. Okay, so I made 0.009200 BTC from somebody who paid admin fee. Okay, I also earned from somebody else who also paid admin fee about 0.00104500. Okay, then plus the mass adoption rotator funding. Okay, so what it means, mass adoption rotator funding means that every month, as long as you pay your admin fee, a certain amount, which is I think it's about 10% of the total admin fee paid, is being paid out to is being shared. Okay, the total 10% of the total admin fee collected by the TBC admin is being shared, okay, to the people who are constantly paying their admin fee. Okay, so, and if you are paying the admin fee, one of the reasons you are paying your admin fee could be so that you maintain your limit of transaction, especially for those of you guys who are swapping TBC to TST. Some of you are paying because you are part of the Bitcoin bounty program. Okay, some of you are paying so that you get information about what's happening in TBC. Okay, so having known this, okay, you see that you can make money in TBC regardless of the coin. Okay, you just have to focus on the Bitcoin bounty program. All right, now I do offer training on how you can set up yourself to start earning passive income through the Bitcoin bounty program. Okay, all you have to do is contact me and I'll tell you what my fee is. I can offer you WhatsApp, Telegram training. I can offer you live video training. We'll do either Zoom, Facebook Live. Okay, we can do Zoom, Google Meet, or if we do WhatsApp video, okay, which I prefer. We can do WhatsApp video, and I show you how to set up your account. So it all depends on how much you want to pay for the trading fee. Okay, because right now I'm going heavily on trading. Okay, I have so much knowledge and so many ways of making money online, even in cryptocurrency, and I want to share with you guys. So as you guys know, this payment is being processed. You can see how I made the payment. So imagine if I have a lot of people who paid the admin fee, that means I'll earn more than this. So according to Google, the value of the Bitcoin that I'm going to receive in US dollars is $41.49. For me, it's good. Okay, it's good. We're living in the era we're in right now. It's a very tight it's a very tight period. We have Christmas coming. We have high inflation. Food items on the high side. What you need is extra cash flow. Okay, what you need is extra cash flow, and most importantly, what you need is a good teacher that will teach you, so you position yourself for this kind of cash flow. Okay, so if I convert it to naira, I should be expecting about 20,500 and something. So by the time Ludo takes its fee, I should be expecting about 19,000 naira in my bank account. Okay, so just to show you guys that this works, regardless of the fact that yes, that the wallet is still under maintenance. They are working on it. I'm not losing sleep over it. The only thing there is that everyone has to be patient. Okay, but the most important thing is that the Kringle Cash platform can make you money if you know how to go about it. Okay, if you know how to go about it. But the wallet being online also helps in marketing it. All right, but when you sign up for my training, I will teach you how to market it even without relying on the TBC 009 to come back online, because it will come back online, but it should not stop you from promoting the Kringle Cash bounty program. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just want to share my result with you guys, and I'll continue sharing my results across so many platforms that I'm participating in. And subscribe to my channel if you are watching this for the first time. Okay, and if you're watching if you're a regular watcher of my videos, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a brand new video. Okay, alright guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.